Hello, people. Good morning, good evening, all over the world. That video, I just feed my mother. She got fish, that small fish, and that's why I have to take off that flesh from the bones because my mother cannot see. So, just to make sure she cannot have the bones of that fish. So that's why I just take off the flesh from the bones. And as you can see, there is also mixed vegetable that she gonna eat. So she have that squash, cabbage, and sayuti. That's mixed vegetable here in our country, Philippines. So my mother about to start. That's eating, and that's gonna be her breakfast. So that's how she eat when we having a small fish. Have to make sure that I have to take away the flesh from the bones before she start eating so that she cannot have the bones. And yeah, she about to start eating now. Don't forget to click subscribe our channel. God bless and always take care, people.